Good morning, everyone. I look absolutely tired, which I am, and it's only the second day, so that's great. Today, we're gonna try and continue what we started yesterday. We didn't get around to working on the water, so hopefully today we can start working on the water. It would be great to have some water to drink and have some water to take a cold shower with. That would be absolutely ideal. Oh, other than that, also gonna move the bed that we have in the basement to the ground floor because the basement is super moist. It is a bit damp, really, and all that moist is getting into the bed and into the wood of the bed, which is not ideal. So what we're gonna try to do this morning is take the bed and move it to the first floor where we've stored all the tools as well. We're gonna probably move some tools to the other rooms, and from there we're gonna sleep on the ground floor while we work on the kitchen and the basement. So now we're moving some of the tools to the other room to make some space for the bed. And I just want to show you these doors. These are the doors that lead to the garden, and I absolutely love how they are designed. So it's a bit dark, but I hope you can see. So these are two halves, and they can be each folded in half again. And that in turn fits perfectly in here. How cool is that? And it just disappears. That is amazing, isn't it? Also look at these little locks and everything that is in there. I'll probably have a hard time working on renovating these doors since there are so many little notches and details and locks and everything. But it'll definitely be worth it to keep it up. Also, this one fits perfectly, and look at even the lock. So now to open the door, we have to use this one. And there you go. It opens right up. With these doors, look at this, a little chain and hook, and you can get this door to be locked. Yeah. The only piece of furniture that was left in the villa. Hello. Very smooth. Well, this door has probably not been opened in many years. Wow. This does feel like some next level escape room or something. How cool is this? I think this place is just so cool. Look at all the details, and it feels like opening a present, to be honest. Like if you open this door, which hasn't been opened in years, it is such a weird feeling. The first treasure. The lucky penny.
Snijden, grappig. Dit is wel even deze week ook nog wel wat types gaan maken.
Yeah. With that done, moved the bed, it's drying now. Open the door, so now we're focusing on water. So that's what we're going to do now. There is a main inlet for the house, a water inlet that is situated in the next to the back door. So that's what we're going to now. Let's see if we can get us some water.
So this is the water situation just outside the house. Let's see if we can use one of these taps to get us some water.
Zo doen zeg. Kan werken wel. Dit is gewoon zwart gras.
So now we're trying to open the main valve that goes this for the inlet of the house. If there's any water in this system still, then it should be able to flow out this way through the pressure regulator out this way. Let's see. There was a little bit of water slipping out when you open this tap, so that's a miracle. If it's like not used, it hasn't been used in so many years, still there's water in the system, so let's see.
No.
Also, we've been told that there is a leakage somewhere in the house, so that's just great. So if there's any smart ideas on how to find that would be very welcome.
Fucking spat water erin.
Alright, no water.
Alright, there is a plan for the water. What we'll do is, since the shops are closed today, we will continue with something else. But regarding the water, what we will do is open this tap, open this one, and close that one, so there is no water going into the house. We will connect a tube up here and then make a fitting for a garden hose, so we can get water from the system without actually pressurizing the whole house. So that's for tomorrow, since the shops are closed. So now we'll continue with something else.